I am Ioannis Balodimos and I'm speaking on behalf of Olympus and Fabrica de Laptop Brasov for Tiras Group. Within the Tiras Group, automation, in the general sense of the word, is completely in line with our philosophy and mindset. More specifically, the investment in state-of-the-art automated management systems for finished goods, which give us the advantage of having the highest technological level available, constitutes a strategic decision of our group. Our goals can be summarized in three basic components: total standardization of procedures, optimized KPIs, and maximum utilization of plant's infrastructure. We have fully succeeded in meeting quality and volume requirements at an operational level with automatic reception and internal flow of finished goods, but also at the decision-making level with automated procedures for segregation and storing rules. By moving from manual handling in our cold stores, which caused scheduling instability and migrating procedures, we have successfully reached one unified central handling with measurable and logged procedures thanks to the dynamic software Smart Decision Maker that offers secure management and instant access to information. Speaking of advantages, I think the most important ones to mention are the following: the exclusion of human error, both at the practical level and around decision making, such as for storage rules, internal goods flow, etc. We now maximize production time available 24/7. The excellent layout of the plant makes 100% use of the existing facility infrastructure. We have smooth transition between production and logistics through a huge automatic storage capacity, the Smart Store, and an excellent loading preparation module, the gravity racks. We have optimized productivity and performance metrics, together with cost-effective operations. The ability to measure each procedure through a comprehensive reporting tool that enables even further improvement by feedback usage based on number values. It is true that initially we had some doubts and we were hesitant about the existing production area, storage rooms and corridors. However, when we saw electricated designs, it was clear that regardless of the size of the existing facilities, the solution included equipment adapted perfectly to our site, and that it was totally feasible to proceed with the integration of a system where existing space would be utilized to the maximum. One integrated industrial solution, in short, means a precise and stable routine, full transparency with direct access to information and real-time control with parallel troubleshooting. In practice, we now have integrated production and logistic handling under one dynamic system. This reduces the number of human and technical limitations and variants, which previously caused confusion and disruption to our daily schedule. Regarding personnel, our overall aim is to reduce hard labor, such as manual palletizing, and to develop ourselves in more specialized tasks as technologically advanced equipment operation or automation surveillance. A clear and straight answer can be given with some indicative numbers. Stretch film cost per pallet has been reduced by 65%. Servicing and materials cost for manual forklifts has been reduced by 50%. Production rate has increased by 120%. We have also eliminated shipping errors, we have optimized refrigeration, and we have 100% traceability with all the advantages that brings. For smooth transition from the visual identification reception of finished goods, something that leaves a great risk for human error, it was fundamental that Tetra Pak line controllers could integrate with the BEMA palletizing equipment and with electricated Smart Store. Particularly, in our plant, we have information transfer of production pallet identification through production orders that go from our ERP system to Tetra Batch Manager, and this goes directly to the PLCs of the BEMA palletizers and moves forward to the SDM, without any intermediate steps, extra labeling or human intervention. In conclusion, the communication between Electric80 and Tetra Pak under one common system succeeded easily and simply both at the technical and the logical level.